kind of like a quickie video. Don't really know what to say about it. If you clicked on it, you already know the gist of it. I think it was Glamour magazine had like a life hack slash hair hack for instead of towel drying your hair, supposedly if you wrap it in a t-shirt to let it dry instead of a towel or a turban, supposedly it won't frizz. Now, I call some serious BS on this. This does not sound like it would work, and yes, I'm literally straight out of the shower, so I'm trying to not film at an angle that shows too much, but anyway, I look ridiculous with my shirt around my head, but we're gonna see if it works. I really am not expecting much. I have not applied any product to my hair whatsoever. So I guess we're just gonna see. I look really cross-eyed in the viewfinder right now, and I know this is shaky because I'm not using a tripod. I'm literally just holding it in my hand. This is why I generally don't film like this. I have shaky, shaky hands. So I guess we'll wait like 20 minutes like it claims in the article you're supposed to do and see how it is. Although my hair generally takes longer than that to frizz out, but we'll see. They claim that it's something to do with the fibers in the towel, in the terry fiber, that it just like strips your hair of its moisture and it's really rough and abrasive on your hair and that's what makes it frizz. And again, I call so much BS on this, but I'm willing to try it because I'm just like, dude, if I could make it not frizz and also not have to blow dry it, that sounds pretty perfect, but I just don't see it working, so I guess we'll see if it works. Oh yeah, guys, isn't this quite the look? Outfit of the day material right here. Yep, totally. Except not at all. Yeah, I see it's like falling out right here, so we're not gonna count this little bit into whether or not this actually works. So it's almost time to take it off, so we'll see if it works or not. I'm really not expecting much, though. Okay, I think it's been about long enough, so I'm gonna take this off and we'll see if it did anything. Probably not, though. Still wet, which could have seen that coming, so we're really not gonna be able to get a good read on that yet. I'll brush through it, but feels pretty smooth, but I think it would have anyway, just for being wet. Switch hands. Hold on. Switching hands. Dropping the shirt. Whoops, let me move that hand. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look terrible so far, but it's also still pretty darn wet. So probably not gonna have a very accurate read on this until it's dry, so I guess we will check back in however long it takes it to dry. I mean, my hair takes forever to dry. It's very absorbent, so it also looks really dark when it's wet, so I look like I have share hair right now. That's why I did not cover it. That's just what it looks like when it's wet. So I guess I'll be back later. Okay, so I reread the article. Apparently you can let it air dry, or you can blow dry it. So I don't trust my hair to air dry. It never goes well for me if I let it air dry. It just turns out into a frizzy, poofy mess. And I'd rather not have to rewash it just to redo it the right way, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it. But supposedly, according to the article, even if you blow dry it, you're supposed to like feel a difference in how smooth and silky your hair feels. I'm still calling BS that it's gonna feel any different than it does any other day, but I'm gonna blow dry it and we'll see if there is any discernible difference or if I just wasted my time. Okay, so it's all dried now. I mean, I did blow dry it, but I mean, it really doesn't look any different than it ever does when I've just blown dried it. See, it is what it is, but if anything, it may feel the tiniest bit softer. Sorry, I was like, wait, is there a dog poop in the shower? No, there's not. I'm looking at the hinge. But anyway, it may be the tiniest bit softer than if I've towel dried it first. Other than that, I have not really seen any difference. This is generally just how it looks when it's been blow dried. It's kind of frizzy and poofy, so it still did its frizzy thing. This is before taking a straight iron to it, since that would be disingenuous to do that and then claim, oh yeah, it totally worked. No, I'm not gonna do that. This is how it looks, so it is what it is. It's just, it can't hurt to at least try it if you think you want to try the t-shirt trick, but I mean, do I really think it made much of a difference? I don't think so, at least not with my hair. Maybe if you have naturally smoother, sleeker hair, maybe it makes a difference, but mine is naturally pretty coarse, and it's naturally pretty frizzy. Like, if I lean in, you can see it's still all kinds of frizzy, even with doing that. So, and if I had let it just totally air dry, it would be out to about here right now, because that's what it does. And that's why I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna trust it to just air dry on its own. It does not do well when I do that. So, this is all it did. So, not much help. Oh well. So, it was worth a shot to at least try it, but sorry guys, I don't think this one was much of a winner, other than maybe making it a tiny bit softer, but I don't really think it even did that. So you can try it if you want to, but I don't think it really is gonna make a difference for you.